This model kit reviews of the Ferrari 348 TS, and this model is a 1/24 scale model by Fujimi. Here's the picture of the real car. Some details about it. And let's have a look inside. This is one of the classic Ferrari looks. We have a lot of parts here to look through. Let's start off here with our body and wheels. So first of all, here's the body, and very well molded, lots of fine detail, no flashing. You can see even the detail here of the Ferrari logo. Here are our decals, including instrument cluster. We have our wheels, which are nicely molded, tires nicely molded, really good detail there. Here's our glass, windshield, good quality, side, really good quality there. Let's open up these screws and have a look. So here's our cockpit tub. We've got some seats, steering wheel. We have brakes. Let's see if they're not drilled. We have our dashboard here. Some body parts including the roof, grille, doors here. Here's our steering column. So here is our chassis, and unfortunately this engine is molded in. I really don't like it when they do that. Here are the sides of the doors with these strakes. You can see here there's a lot of flashing. That's all going to need to get sanded down. It's a little disappointing. Here's part of our suspension and exhausts. The steering mechanism here, also again flashing. Here's our steering rack. More suspension parts. So, reasonable there. Let's have a look at our parts listings here. And here's the painting and decal guide. Put our axle together. Put the suspension parts together. That all goes on the chassis. Next, the wheels go on. The front chassis, front suspension goes on. Build the cockpit there. And that gets put onto the chassis along with the dashboard. Next we build the body and the sides the doors go on. We have our glass going in, body's put on the chassis, and we have the roof and other body parts going on. So, all in all, fairly well molded, reasonable level of detail. Don't like the engine being molded in, but that'll be a great model kit.